This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Roxana Shepley. Pampered one owner full brick home west/4 beds and 3 full baths, carpet in bedrooms only, lovely day room west/large glass windows that open and close looking over the backyard to let the sunshine in. Large walk-in pantry, master closet and laundry room west/motion sensor lighting. Master bath and hall bath west/double vanities, laundry west/cabinets over washer and dryer plus cabinet west/granite top for folding table. House is wired for surround sound. Side entry 2-car garage west/epoxy coated floor. Kitchen measurement include vast area. Mother-in-law suite and full yard sprinklers. County taxes only. For more information, review the details below or contact Roxana Shepley at 478-953-8595.